Welcome to Best RV channel. Nana Marty from Best RV in Torla, California. We're inside the most luxurious fifth wheel in the market. Is the brand new 2025 Crossroad Redwood 415RD. 415RD is mean from rear den. As you see, we have three sectional seating area, two hide-a-bed sofa crossing each others, and then we have here's a power recliners with the massage and heat and light, and they run off 110, facing a beautiful smart TV, as well high-end fireplace. As you see, this fireplace is very high-end, come a smoke from it and a heat. It's amazing. I mean, then we have another ceiling fan in the rear den in this section, a beautiful dinette. And this dining table is, you could extend it, is right here, so it's expandable. It comes with additional two chair, and the additional two chair, they are located in the front closet. I love this touch where you have a solid shelf. You have your cell phone charger. I could put my cell phone and charge by itself. And then, as I said, I could extend this table if I want. I could make it shorter if I decide for traveling. I could make it just only for two people, or I could make it for four people. Across from it, we have fabulous high-end. This is a pure high-end kitchen. I mean, look, this is porcelain tile with thinset. Is not a plastic or imitation of tile. This is a pure. Look how thick, it's like 1 inch. So this is solid backsplash. Love the pattern of the porcelain tiles. Solid service with the 2-inch thick, not the half inch, the 2-inch. A lot of cabinet. We have, look, this dovetail doors for you putting your cooking pans in your kitchen. And then you have a nice doors on both sides. Actually, what I like about this kitchen is the functionality. I have the big 4-burner high-end oven and stove. Look how big. I could put a turkey. I could put turkey in this oven. And this is a 4-burner stove, residential, and 30-inch microwave. But you have a both prepping area. I have a big, huge size on the left of the stove and one on the right with a lot of those touch cabinet. Look at it. I could just press this, press that. Voila. Press this one. So I have two spice rack on both. This is like a chef kitchen. Fancy glass cabinet on both sides of the microwave, as well on the top of the microwave. And then I could give my spices, my stuff, my cooking pan, cooking. It's very functional kitchen. And amazing of counter space in both sides. As well, we have a deeper here, and I could add more shelf if I wanted. And then these doors, they're self-closing, silverware, and then typical, my trash can, my more doors, and then this Redwood, it come with a dishwasher. Voila, guys. Voila, folks. A dishwasher and a high-end fifth wheels with a high-end sink with 4 faucets. 1, 2, 3, 4 faucets, 5 waterfall, water filtration, soap dispensers, rice faucet, cup rinse, deep one. Look how deep it is. It's amazing of a high-end kitchen. This kitchen is, I call it as a chef kitchen. Then as well here we have a high-end brands for residential reefer with, you just put the tape. There's an ice maker, come with ice maker. Ladies, you complaining about pantries, more pantries, more pantries, more pantries, more pantries. I mean, even with nice doors, love the wood finishing and the dovetail and a solid wood on this unit. Now, this one also has a place for cooking pans. You could put here a coffee maker, It's a solid coffee makers, so no issue for water. When you're pouring some coffee, coffee maker, toaster. Beautiful king size bed with a cross panelizations window on both sides. Nice backsplash, or you could back board on this king size bed. This bed come with versatile, so this bed I could recline it, or if I want it, I could bring it all the way down. So this is, I could bring it all the way down, so I could have full bed, or I could raise it up. It has, I like what it has, the side shelves for cup of waters or laptop. You know, these two shelves is very handy at night for cup of water. Siab machine, there's one 10 plug and 12-volt plug on both sides. This here, I could use it as a seating area to tie my shoes, or I could use it for makeup, putting things when I dressed up. Uh, Cabinet with shelf, TV, 40-inch smart TV facing your TV, more closets, more doors. Amazing. And nobody here, because you're gonna tell me, look, you give me just one closet here, one closet. No, 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 no. Whole front is a closet. Come here. Let's go to this. This is 5-star hotel bathroom. Vanity for his, vanity for her. Nice medicine cabinet for her. His poor guy, nothing. He get this probably. Look, all the storage. Doors for makeup, for, you know, it's very functional bathroom with 2 mirrors, LEDs, solid service, 3 doors, medicine cabinet, a cabinet door on the right and the left. So it's amazing. And again, you could noticing all these are self-closing. And across from it, I have a high-end one-piece solid fiberglass shower with 1, 2, 3, 4 heads with a nice skylight, a nice glass shower. I could sit, and the ladies, they could sit and do their business shaving. Or if I'm tired at night, I want to take a shower while I'm sitting, I could do that right here. No water coming out, totally sealed, no seams. And then I have my own fantastic fan to take all the steam out with the rain sensor. Porcelain toilet, and look how deep it is. It's a big toilet. And then from here, this is where you do all kind of stuff. It has a full walk-in closet. I could stand in the closet. I could go to this side if I wanted. If you come this way, show them the walk-in closet. I could add more shelf if I wanted. I hang a lot of clothes. I could hang clothes here, clothes here, clothes there. Come with the washer and dryer. It's loaded. Everything is done. With this Redwood fifth wheel, you don't have to do nothing. Just bring your food and clothes and start go live in it and camping and enjoy living. So a nice full walk-in closet in this one. This is apartment on wheels. This is house in wheels. It's beyond any fifth wheel you see in my lot. You need to come to see this most luxurious fifth wheel, the Redwood 415, and buy it and go live in it, rather go renting in an apartment or living in some rentals and give the money to somebody else. At least you have something for yourself. Or if you want a house, perfect. Come live in a nice luxury way when you go camping and enjoying traveling. Come to Best RV. At the end of this video, we have links where you could see all the pictures, specification, and the special price. And we have no any hidden fees, and we give you the best and the lowest price for Redwood in the state of California. It's worth coming in to Best RV.